The next one is the rank tracker. What is the rank tracker? We can track products' rankings. I have already prepared a knife here. We're tracking 86 keys. From these keys, we will see that the top 10 keys are in the top 10 organic output. For example, positions on Amazon. Again, we go to Amazon, the kitchen knife key. There are positions here, 4 sponsored and went organic positions. It has 33 keys in the top 10 organic output. Top 50, it has 56 keys, its reviews, its quality of listings, its bestseller rank, its date. Why do we need this? Here we can just keep track of the product keys. Why is this necessary? We can see how the product works, how its sales are going, how its keywords work. Here he breaks them down by different keys and so on by positions. We see here from 0 to 36 and how these keywords work. For example, we can watch chef knife. The position was on December 28. It was in 11th place, then on the 2nd, on the 9th, and so on and so forth. You can see it in 60 days. There are different timeframes. There are also organic outputs and sponsored. For example, according to advertising, it is ranked by the key chef knife in the 5th position, in the 12th. People there put different bits on advertising, and each in his own way offers money per click. For example, someone started offering more. Its rank dropped and so on and so forth. Maybe it looks like a little Chinese, but everything is really simple. We point here at the key chef knife, for example, on the left in the position column, below is the date. Such and such a date, such and such a key was in such and such a place. You can choose different keywords too. Then there is one output here. Here we see the key, how many searches per month, and what place it has, and on which page. It has now started from the first place. For example, the key kitchen gifts has the 8th place on the first page. Partial. Some part is in the listing, but not the full key. Cutting knife does not have the full key, but it has cutting and knife. Accordingly, it has partial. And kitchen knife is marked with a green tick, so that's how this key is available in the listing. Then how easy it is to rank by this key? It's very hard to rank the word kitchen knife, it's true, but professional kitchen knife is easy. How to say it is easy? Again, this is how Jungle Scout displays. Easy or hard? In any case, it is necessary to check everything, see what kind of competition, and so on. The PPC beat is here, and when was the last time the position was checked? This way you can monitor the products. Take a few competitors and some keywords that are important to you and track them. This is a cool thing. You can also track your products here. If you have a product and you track its rank, you will not check every day, go to Amazon, put in keys there, and so on. It will take you a lot of time, and with Rank Tracker you can do it faster. It was a rank tracker tool.